A buffer is an extra time that can be added before and after the availability of a TuCalendi event. This is a very useful event configuration option if you want to set a break time between meetings. Let's see how to set up buffers in an event. In the side menu, click on Meeting Types, select the calendar, and choose the event. In the horizontal menu, go to Availability. This is a 30-minute interval time event, and the event duration is also 30 minutes. We add 10 minutes buffer before and after the event. Click Save to update the limits. It is as if the meeting takes 50 minutes. Let's see the widget. We select a day and choose an hour. As if it were a customer filling out the booking form. In this case, the form has the basic fields: first name, last name, and the email. I confirm the booking. If you go to schedule another booking, since we had included buffers, 3 time slots are busy instead of 1. This is how the buffers work.